Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen in home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need your favorite ramen noodles, a good quality broth, and any toppings you love. Think about fresh vegetables, a perfectly cooked egg, or some savory protein. Having everything ready before you start makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's cook those noodles to perfection. Bring about 2 to 3 cups of water to a rolling boil in a pot. Carefully add your ramen noodles and cook them for just 2 to 3 minutes or according to package directions. You want them tender but still with a slight bite. Once cooked, drain them thoroughly and set them aside. Now for the most exciting part, assembling your delicious ramen bowl. Start by pouring about 1.5 cups of hot, flavorful broth into a large serving bowl. Then, gently add your perfectly cooked noodles to the broth. Finally, artfully arrange all your prepared toppings on top. This is where your creativity shines. Your homemade ramen is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately to savor the fresh flavors and perfect noodle texture. Don't be afraid to experiment with different broths, proteins, and vegetables to find your ultimate combination. And hey, if you're looking for ways to make meal prep easier, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.